Today I'm showing you the replacement procedure for the drum unit of HP LaserJet M436nda printer. Okay, first things first, what you need to do first, you open the side door. Okay, the second one, we open this door here, we touch the locks for the toner and remove the toner. Okay, and we put it here. Okay, now the second step, we have to, you see on this is the drum, but it has a lot of screws, but we don't need all of those screws. We need to remove this screw here and this screw down here. You use a star screwdriver to do that. Removing another screw here. I don't have the magnet in my screwdriver, but for you must use the magnet, the magnetic screwdriver. Yes, because sometimes screws can fall in the printer where you can't even remove them. So the next step, we're going to disconnect this cable here. Okay, this is the drum unit cable. We touch on this handle and try to remove. Okay. This is the drum unit. Assuming that you have a new drum unit, okay, what you need to do is just reverse the process. Insert it like this. And connect the cable back. Okay, now you put the screws. The first one here. Put the second screw. Now the next step, we have to insert the toner. Okay, and close. That is how we replace the drum unit for this printer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.